Medical misinformation is everywhere. Dr. Mitch is here for straight talk and to give you the truth.
I need to address a critical juncture in menopause management. The FDA's Women Health Panel on July 17th this year recommended revising or eliminating the black box warnings on hormone replacement therapy, especially for low-dose intravaginal estrogen. Now, these outdated warnings, rooted in pretty much flawed interpretations of Women Health Initiative, which is over a study over 20 years ago, it has pushed far too many women from accessing proven relief for symptoms like vaginal atrophy, dyspareunia, vasomotor instability, and urinary dysfunction. For localized vaginal estrogen, systemic risks such as thromboembolic phenomena, cerebral vascular events, breast malignancy, they're pretty much virtually non-existent due to negligible absorption. And I think it's time we prioritize the evidence over fear. That said, this panel's decision, while progressive, falls very short of what's required. Their scope was limited to FDA-approved formulations, and they continued to dismiss innovative delivery systems like pellets, citing concerns over dosing, variability, and insufficient longitudinal data. Critically overlooked was the imperative role of bioidentical natural hormone replacement therapy, encompassing compound preparations, and as the co-author of 2 textbooks on compounding drug pharmaceutics, bioidentical hormones, estradiol, progesterone, testosterone, that precisely replicate the endogenous structures, deliver superior physiological integration, and it yields enhanced symptom control, clarity, cardioprotection when it started pretty much promptly after menopause. Compounded bioidenticals are indispensable for true personalized medicine. It enables precise titration based on individual biochemistry, hormone assays, and metabolic profiles. Exactly what standardized pharmaceuticals can't do. Now, those that raise alarms about compounding inconsistencies are either simply misinformed about the stringent compounding protocols that are enforced by the state's pharmaceutical boards, or have a secondary gain to misinform the public to the detriment of women's health. And that's my opinion. Using natural HRT poses no inherent risk. Rather, it empowers safe, transformative types of behavior. Central to this is directing hormone metabolites into non-proliferative channels. Estrogen catabolism yields protective entities like 2-hydroxyestrone, which exerts anti-proliferative effects, in contrast to 16-alpha hydroxyestrone's mitogenic potential. And there are robust clinical evidence that demonstrates that bioidentical estrogen remedies, augmented by the phytonutrients like diindolylmethane from cruciferous vegetables, move metabolism towards safety. Studies in proliferative disorders reveal DIM's capacity to accelerate estrogen detoxification, suppress mitogenic metabolites, protect harmful ratios, and mitigate oncologic risks while amplifying efficacy. This core functional medicine leveraging data-driven adjuvants for holistic hormonal harmony. Now, ultimately, the FDA step forward demands amplification, and we, the functional clinicians, must champion the bioidentical hormone modalities, including pellets and custom compounds, fortified by the metabolic enhancers like DIM. Practitioners in the functional paradigm, they know this. Women deserve therapies that reclaim vitality. No excuses. Engage with these evidence-based strategies in your practice. The future of women's health depends upon it.